Hey architecture students, this video is to show you guys how to add a second floor, or in the case of the tiny homes, how to create a second level or a loft area for your tiny home. So the first thing you're going to start with is draw out your tiny home. So remember, they can only be 300 square feet. So if I went with the basic dimensions of 10 feet by 30 feet, I've got my tiny home. You could also do 15 feet by 20 feet. It's really however you kind of formed your 300 square feet. Okay, so what you are going to do now is change the wall height. So standard wall height is 9 feet high. My suggestion is to almost double that to make it 18 feet. So I'm going to change it to 18 feet. And you'll see in the 3D view here, it made it super tall. Okay. The next thing that you are going to do is go back to single room mode, select the room, you're going to come over to customize interior modeling. Okay, and it's going to say choose a room, so you just got to click on it, and you want to go to others and hit create. Okay, so now it just took you into this new screen. And now you're going to kind of draw out on the main level where you want your loft to go. So if I take my line here, okay, maybe I just want my loft to come on the back part here. So I'm going to draw it, go all the way across, or if I want a little indent for the stairs, but I'm going to draw mine all the way across right now. And I have to draw all of the edges of it, so even the sides that have walls on them right now. And you'll know you have that area drawn the right way as if it turns white. Okay, so now we're going to come back and we're going to select this, and before we can pull it up or anything like that, we're going to right click on it and we're going to call set snap. So go to snapping property, set snap. What that allows it to do is put furniture on it and stuff like that. Okay, now I'm going to go to extrusion and I'm going to click on it and then pull it up. And you know, floors aren't that big, so you don't need to pull it up that high. Then I'm going to come over, hit my select tool, and I'm going to almost triple click on it until it's all blue. And I'm going to go to the move tool. And I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to pull it straight up. And it is a little finicky, just to warn you. Okay, so I'm going to pull it up to where I want it to go. And now I've got my second floor. The last thing I want you to do is triple click on it again or double click on it, right click and hit group. That's so it stays all together. Okay, once you have all that done, and this is a good place to add trim if you want to add some trim to your floor. Okay. You can work on that, but otherwise you're going to hit finish and back. Okay, and now if you go to your 3D view here, you can see your kind of little loft area. Now if I want to add stairs, I'm going to come to Model Library, Construction, and there are stairs here. Now keep in mind you can change the stairs, but you are also limited in your space for the for this house. So I'm going to put them in right there, and I've got my stairs going up to my loft. A lot of people, you know, like in these tiny homes, will turn their stairs into storage, and I don't know if they really have those in here. Oh yeah, they have some storage stairs. You can see in the back there, that's all storage. Okay, so you could place this in, kind of turn it around, and get it to fit. But there's a whole bunch of different kinds of stairs in there. Now, if I want to throw a bed on my top loft area, okay, let's say I want this floor, I'm going to click it in here and I'm going to hit replace. And what replace lets me do is then move it up here. Okay. Now with this project, I don't want you to change any of the size of the furniture, You can change the size of the stairs and that sort of stuff. And then you should be able to change the floor in the loft. Okay. So what I did again, and you can change it so you edit group, and you should be able to clear, so if you want to paint the sides and just have the top be the flooring, okay, ungroup it, and then just choose the top and choose your flooring for the top. So ungrouping it is probably the easiest way to do that. You probably don't need to group it. And then you've got your flooring. I would put my ladder back in, okay, and so on. And that's how you add a little loft to it.